This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Eric Butler. Take a look at this 3-bedroom 2-bath home tucked away off the main road in Shannondale. The spacious open floor plan has a soaring cathedral ceiling above the great room and kitchen. A large dining area shares the open space and has a sliding glass door leading to the private backyard. The primary bedroom includes a private bathroom and walk-in closet. A laundry closet is more than large enough for 2 full-size appliances and enclosed behind 2 2-panel doors. Outside you will enjoy the covered front porch that runs the length of the home in the front. Finishes include LVP flooring throughout the shared living space and carpet in the bedrooms. This home is scheduled to be completed by the end of November and has a 2-bedroom septic. For more information, review the details below or contact Eric Butler at 30